Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm ready to go. We're going for venue hunting. So this is going to be the first official prom thing that we are going to do apart from all the meetings. I'm waiting for a friend to come pick me up. I'm ready. I'm going to show you guys my outfit in just a bit. Very excited. Wearing these shoes. Yeah. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a black shirt, some jeans, both are from H&M, some golden hoops, a golden chain, a golden watch, and a ring. I'm all ready to leave. I personally love the lawn. Nothing major about the banquets here. Meet, just हमको ऐसे छोड़ के भाग रहा है.
ओ भाई साथ में वेट करो.
Yeah. We're in Jade.
जेन्युइन अच्छा लगे भाई, जेन्युइन.
I love it. I love it. I love it so much. It looks so pretty. And the
बजट
washroom.
के अंदर आ गया
Really?
तो बस अगर आ गया.
I love the washroom especially because.
लव द जायंट मिरर्स.
Yes.
कहाँ से दिख रहा है बर्थडे?
We got done with another location, which has my heart. I'm totally sold by this location. I love this location so much. Let's see what everyone else has to say. Pratham, you can't do such cringe things in my vlog.
Okay, so I have taken over the vlog from Isha. Take it from here.
कुछ record नहीं हो रहा.
लॉट में करना.
क्यों क्यों हो जाता है सबको? किसी का भी प्राइस नहीं पूछा तो थोड़ा एक्सपेक्ट.
एक हफ्ते बाद मिल रहे हैं. तू आया नहीं आज vlog में. I'm gonna make this whole huge prom vlog. It's gonna go in December. So
तो ये
every
मेरे पास होना चाहिए. Hi guys.
ये break time है बोलते सही. This is not us working. This is us eating.
हाँ हाँ, लोगों को तो ऐसा ये हम काम करते हैं, ऐसे ही तो काम करते हैं हम लोग. ईशा, some words for our viewers. Prom कैसा होने वाला है?
Prom is going to be huge. It's going to be elegant. It's going to be one of the best nights Ahmedabad has.
हाँ
ever
बस हो गया,
seen.
ज़्यादा हो गया. बहुत बोलती है.
I have potato twisties because I love तला आलू.
I love how ईशा अपने POV से ऐसे कर रही है तो सिर्फ मेरा कंधा आ रहा है. ये थोड़ा ऐसे स्लिपरी है. Do you know? भाई the best part of tomorrow, yesterday. Yesterday. सुनो. The best part. हाँ
ready raghem, but what's wrong in discussing remembering the
He is wrong because he is gonna be late. He has to go home and he is doing time pass.
Bye.
What to expect in this year? Okay. Why are you recording all of that shit? Camera साफ भी नहीं है. The lens is not even clean. And ew, what is wrong with you? You're not supposed to hold the. Okay, good. Yes, is it? No, हाँ, you can say that. The fourth prom comes again, maybe.
last prom when we were finding last.
Okay. What to expect in this year's prom? What to expect in this year's prom? Stop moving that phone microphone. पूरा वो हो रहा है. खच आवाज आएगी. You just took my answer. बाहर जा खड़ी हो जा. बाहर जा. Sorry. What to expect in this year's prom?
एक चीज मैं दिमाग में टॉप बॉक्स में बैठ कर बोलना नहीं चाहती.
बॉम्ब दे भाई, कितना घटिया साउंड कर रहा है ना ये.
Me being the singer.
प्रोटेक्ट योर भैया.
बोल दो. What do you expect in this year's prom? बाहर चली जा और इतना confident गलत आंसर नहीं देगी।
मेरे आंसर सोच रही हूँ ये पूरा का पूरा टाइम लेके जा रहा है मेरा।
हाँ ठीक है, पर अब तक आंसर सोचना पड़ेगा अपने। Guys, Junuk is here. We did a little dancey dance. So happy. This has been our dream. Sorry. We're doing a banquet visit now because we just want some content. The whole team is here, you guys. I can't show you guys my face.
के बाद में जाएगा vlog.
ये नहीं दिखा सकती मैं. I just can't. मत कर.
Show the real side.
ये है हमारा बुबारा.
ये हमारा real.
बुबारा. It's balloon भाई.
Do you guys want to see my prom dress?
No, not right now. Not right now.
ऐसे पकड़ के दिखा दे. ऐसे पकड़ के दिखा देना.
मैं इतना अनअट्रैक्टिव लगता हूँ जिनको को कि वो गे है मेरे लिए. कि वो she would rather be gay than with me. ऐसा नहीं सोचता. अरे मस्त लग रहा है, बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है.
बहुत सारी.
अरे देखो गाल फुट के बाहर साड़ी पहनी है. Ew.
Sorry.
Let us not talk about the thing on my nose. But basically, the early bird passes are gonna be out. Oh my god, this is not in focus. Now it is. The early bird passes are gonna be out in 10 minutes. 11 minutes. We are waiting. In 10 minutes. Very excited. Core is having a. I think ये पहली core की इतनी लंबी meeting है. Also, update. Got some new shoes today. Very excited.
That is not gonna be on the vlog for prom, guys. I'm sorry. I just saved you a lot of vlogging Isha ke through, and yeah.
Why?
You're welcome.
Oh, shut up. Yeah. I realized that I did not vlog in this. I did not vlog this meeting and the last volunteer meeting, the first one. I did not vlog it, so I was like, "Hi, Anya." I'm so sorry. I did not. We're making tea for everyone, for all the volunteers. Hi. This is Prekshita, and this is for my YouTube video. Anya made this. कैसा सही में अच्छी है? Is it good? मैं उसको नहीं बताऊंगी. वीडियो सीधा जनवरी में जाएगी. Why don't you give a reaction?
Nice try.
Good tea.
I made the best chai bhaji.
Yeah, Anya made the tea. Everyone said that they love it. This was a meeting for God. There is a lot of chaos here. This was a volunteer shoot. Oh my God! Fuck! अरे अब हटो. You just said it was a lot of chaos. Here we have. Anyway, this was for. You're gonna hate me. Stop it! This was the second volunteer meeting. It was also like for a shoot. We're at Junuk's place. The shoot is over. It's all done now. Special appearance, Brinda Verma and Soumya. They're not a part of the prom team, but they made sure to be here. They're Junuk and my friends. They were here, they helped us out. It was a great day today. This is gonna go on YouTube.
It will. I made appearance on Isha Shri Mal's YouTube channel.
You did that a long while. No? I think no. Okay, so the prom video is going to be the first video you're gonna make your appearance into. Priyanka, how is the prom spirit? Good. Anya, how is the prom spirit? Alright everyone, I'm running very late. It's the 26th December. I just want to, the Uber is outside, but I really quickly just want to show my outfit to everyone. This is what I'm wearing, if it's kind of visible. But yeah, we have to run. The Uber is waiting outside. I have a meeting, prom meeting at the venue. I just wanted to utilize this dress. Oh my god, there is... Okay. I just wanted to utilize this dress because I wore it last night. So wanted to kind of re-wear it again. Kind of कैसा? हाँ.
एक बार अगर हमारा ये हो जाता है तो फिर आज हमें ना डिटेलिंग एक क्लास में जाएंगे सीधा 15 रुपये हो जाएगा जी जी तो फिर सेम है
करेक्ट
ठीक है अभी हमने एक बैकड्रॉप बनाया था तो एक डीके प्रोडक्शन मुंबई की कंपनी है प्रोडक्शन कंपनी तो वो हमें बेसिकली क्या है कि इधर है ना 4 बैंक्वेट्स है एक लैम्प भी पॉसिबल है बट प्रॉब्लम
ये दरवाजे वाला कैमरा है
नहीं.
ओ हाँ
तुम देख सकते हो सब लोग खुद को इसमें.
एवरी बॉय
It's the perfect vlogging camera. Meet, do you want to say hi? कैसा है? Camera conscious है बहुत Meet.
Hello.
ये हमारा हाय
It's 2025. Oh my god.
I brought.
Meet is using girls lip balm. Meet ho.
ओ पिंक लिप बाम
चलो चलो.
अच्छे से पाँव अंदर ले ले
नहीं सबकी जगह.
बंद कर देना साले
भाई बैठ जा जाएगा
ओए अंधेरा ज्यादा मैं दिखूंगा नहीं
तुझे कोई bro tells me he knows the spot and then he brings me.
Oh my god.
के खराबी है यहाँ
All right, everyone, we're going for offline marketing today. It's day 1. मेरे ऊपर शर्मा का A आ रहा है actually.
शर्मा का यार.
ये लोग नहीं देखेंगे अभी. Hello.
Hello. PCA team distracted 101. PCA team distracted 101 part 2.
The subtle art of not giving
do epic shit
These are one of our sponsors, Tuasa. Hi, Juno, how do you feel after the very tough shoot day?
My bag is gone.
Hi, Prekshita. Prekshita is opening up boxes. We're gonna. We have all these things to make hampers, and Kasok, of course. Kasok is one of our sponsors as well, gifting partners. All right, I have absolutely no words for today. We left at 1:30 for a shoot. We thought that it will get over by like in an hour or so. It kept going and going. We were all very hungry actually. किसी ने lunch नहीं किया था. So the shoot just got over. It's 4:41 right now. Yeah. So shoot got over by 4. So basically it's 5 o'clock right now, and we haven't had our lunch. But my head, it's the dedication that I have right now.
Yeah, exactly.
My head is aching really badly. I'll take a 15-minute nap because then I have to get up again, eat, edit, and there are just a few other tasks that we need to complete. All the other volunteers are on their way. I ended up not sleeping.
2 मिनट बाद उठ गई.
I have work FOMO, everyone. I just feel so out of track if everybody is working and I'm
I want to help Prakshita फटाफट से.
हाँ, इसलिए we'll eat really quickly and then I'll sleep later. She's cooking inside. She's making some Maggie. Disha, you're making some Maggie or some Korean noodles?
Bibimbap.
Oh.
Isha.
All right, we are going to sit. Prakshita, will you help me? अपन लोग बैठ के सबकी वो देख लेते हैं एक्सपायरी डेट. बस जैसे उसने एक फेस वॉश का देख लिया, रेस्ट अपन एक बार फिर भी एक्सपायरी चेक कर लेते हैं so that इसका है nobody gets like a wrong product, a product which is not good or great for them. Quickly go through all the products. So from Tuasa we have a lot of sheet masks, different sorts of sheet masks. We have face serums, 4 sorts of face serums, a face wash. Then this is all from Kasok. So we have shampoos, we have aloe vera gel, we have lipsticks, we also have beard activators, ice rollers, and then we have perfumes.
क्यूरेट कर रही है.
बना तो दिया,
बनाया नहीं, क्यूरेट किया.
कहाँ किया फेस वॉश? मैंने बहुत thoughtfully, I've curated these hampers very thoughtfully.
क्यूरेट.
Meet was just putting in stuff. Meet was just putting in stuff.
बस.
I have very.
मैंने उल्टा हेल्प करी.
Wow.
मैंने ये दोनों चीजों में हेल्प करी है. चुप कर जा. अच्छे से हेल्प करी है. अभी
मीत इतना बाहर आ रहा है वहाँ से, उसको थोड़ा जिन्हों देख तो मीत क्या कर रहा है.
बता मेरे को तो बता ना, डांट क्या रही है. नहीं मेरे को बता.
अरे यार तू चाय बनाना यार. चाय बना.
All right, we have all the hampers ready. These are all for females. Those are all for males. We are going to put in some netting, then some ribbons, a card, and all those sorts of things. So all those things are supposed to be done right now. So by tomorrow, we successfully send all the hampers out. It's actually quite late. We need the hampers to reach to all the influencers, all the content creators, at least 1 week prior. Approved? Approved. Sponsorship head approves. Yes.
नंबर दे देना, मैं कर लूँगा. लव यू ब्रो.
वो कंफ्यूज हो गया. पता है
बोलती है बंदी ने लव यू बैग छी हमारा. नहीं लव यू बोला मैंने.
रिकॉर्ड हुआ है.
लव यू टू बोला उसने, लव यू टू बोला उसने मेरे जताने के बाद।
कितना मर रहा है किसी के प्यार के लिए। I love it. Pratham hungry for love is my favorite animal in 2025.
I'm hungry for money.
I've been doing that since 2005.
प्यार में पागल दीवाना।
Why don't you talk to him as soon as possible and then let us know?
Guys,
क्या पैसे निकाल रहे हैं?
guys, something better. Chips.
क्या कर रहे हो भाई? 10 रुपए के
इवेंट हो गया भाई।
ले दे मीत। होगा इवेंट भाई। मीत का एटीट्यूड तो मैंने देख लिया आज। मीत को खानी चिप्स, मीत को खानी मूंगफली। How do you feel about prom? No, you have to. I hope this video, the next transition that I put, it will be of the day of the prom. The event will start from 6. Basically, event will start from 7, but from 6 we'll be at the venue. We have to make a list of things that we have to carry ghar se. So last year what happened is we did not make a proper list. If you have a proper list, you know what is to be carried, what is not to be carried. This is the last meeting for prom. This is a very heartfelt meeting.